Hi everyone. This screencast is going to give you a little bit of an overview of the Read-Write Chrome extension for Google. So it is a new extension that I installed on the domain, and some of you may have already installed it within your account, but now it's coming down from a domain level. So everyone's going to have this Chrome extension available, including the students. So when you log into your Google account, you're going to notice a purple puzzle piece here at the top right corner, and it has a RW in it. And it's called Read and Write for Google Chrome. And this Chrome extension is very powerful. So basically what it's going to allow you to do, and your students do, give you the option to having a toolbar available. So right now I'm in a Google Doc, and I have this little tab that's displayed here on my right side, and it's really asking me if I want to display the Read-Write toolbar, and this is what comes up. So I don't have to display this if I don't want to. I can hide it by collapsing the menu, or I can expand it when I click on the tab. If I don't want it at all, I can just simply close it out with the X. So this is going to give students the option to do a lot of different things here. So I'm just going to go over a couple things. I'm not going to go over a lot of it, but I just want to show you that this toolbar is available for the students. So it has a built-in dictionary. So if I wanted to, let's see, highlight the word, and I select the dictionary, and it gives me the meaning of the word right within the Google Doc. If I wanted to go to a picture dictionary, I can highlight the word tables, and this icon here will open up a picture dictionary and try to interpret what picture goes with that word. So that's really cool. Another thing that students may find helpful is that this will read the text. So if I highlight the paragraph and I hit play, over the last few weeks we have been learning about various data displays and how to analyze what they mean. You are now applying what you have learned in a project. So now students can have a text and have it read to them, and it will highlight the sentence and particularly highlight the word as it's reading. So that's very powerful. So that would be in the play, pause, stop buttons here. So those are very powerful. The next thing or option that I want to show you is you can do a web search right within the document here on this toolbar. The student can talk and type. So this is available in this Chrome extension. So if the student had a problem typing, the student can dictate their text and it will type it. So all they have to do is click the record button, and that is a wrap. And that is a wrap. And you can see here that it did record what I had in my paragraph, or record what I said in my paragraph. So that's nice as well. And another feature is the highlighting tools. So the highlighting tools are available here for students to actually go through and highlight different lists or different types of text with colors. So this is a great toolbar. You may not want to use it as a teacher for your resources, but the students may really find this beneficial. So I would encourage them to open up this toolbar and to explore the tools in here. I hope you found this screencast helpful.